figure this out, right? That's on, this is on. Cold water on. Yeah! I'm taking a magic class right now, and I'm just deciding to make my own wand. Prop time, it's like this. So, here's the conundrum. I just made another one of these. I'm making a box to hold it. Woo! I'm making a box to hold it, and I want to create a space in the box for it specifically, like the negative space. But I can't just make exactly the negative space because you can't have it be exactly the same negative space because then it wouldn't fit. Like whenever you make, if you're cutting a hole out of something, you don't make it exactly the same size because it just doesn't work. There has to be a difference. But I can't just make it 10% bigger. I'm using Google SketchUp. I can't make it 10% bigger because it'll expand in every direction by 10%, and then these little nubbins in the middle, they'll get expanded out. I don't think they would fit, but what if okay, I cut it in half. I make the whole thing 10% larger. Yeah, I could probably do it like 10% larger. Cut the model in half in the middle, and then squeeze it onto itself so that the tops of these central ridges are in the middle of the expanded area. Something? Oh my gosh, this is complicated. Right? Huh. I make it 10% bigger. That means that it's all going out in 10%. Fine. I cut it in the middle here, realign the two models so that the top of this and the top of this each definitely become in the middle of the actual other real model things, that when I set it in, these two things will be lined up and there'll be this extra space everywhere. I think that's the thing. That's doable. That's very doable. 10% difference. I mean, it's not much. I still don't know exactly how, I mean, it's not going to clip in. Ooh, although, I do have some, ooh, you know what? I have some red suede. I'm going to wrap, instead of the red there, around it. I bet I could make a, like a sheath or something, or just like have, the fuck is that? Did I not rinse my hair? Yeah. think that'll work. I think that'll work.